Hello friends, today I'm going to unbox this new science experiment today. From opening this one. Now it's opened. So now let's see. Wow, so many things. First let's start with opening these things. We need to read the instructions first. Let's start. Now we just need to put the water in the beaker. Just like this. Full. Till here? Okay, good. And now we just put the water inside this
flask.
Now we put baking soda. Just like this, and I take this and four spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's done. I need to stir it by this stick. That's done stirring. Now we need the citric acid.
This is a citric acid. Now you need to put the citric acid
inside the
balloon.
Okay.
And open the citric acid bottle.
Not real acid. And we need 4 spoons.
Yes, put it.
One, 2. Let's hope it's not real acid. 3. Last one. 4. Okay, because I put it really good.
And now we need to put this balloon
Inside.
on this top of this. Okay.
3, 2, 1, start. Now we need to
Do it.
Now we need to put this balloon inside, just like this. And now we need to.
Yes.
Now I need to do like this.
Okay.
I've never seen magic like to do it.
Wow.
Mommy, can't you see magic?
You Raga did this magic?
Mommy, see, it's filling up. I knew it.
Mission success.
Mission success. Bye.